Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender 3-litre D250 SE 110, finished in Fuji white paint with 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, LED headlights, front fog lights, fixed side steps, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, and below the bumper we can see the rear camera. As we look now into the load space, we can see the 40/2040 rear folding seats and the rubber Loadspace liner. As we look through the rear window now into the second row, we can see the ebony recessed seats with the centre armrest and Isofix mounts. In the front row we can see the heated front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the adaptive cruise control, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the DAB radio and the 3D surround camera system. On the centre console we have the 2-zone climate controls and the USB sockets. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.